Okay. Say it.
Fire in the hole!
Very good. Okay. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. I'm here with my best bud, Hendrix. This is him. Don't, be careful, Hendrix, please. Please. Let's not fling our arms around, okay? Alright, what we're making today is... we've already started, folks. We've already started making a barbecue mess. This is the Big BBQ Mess.
Oh God, yeah.
So let's talk about this. What are we going to do here? We're going to make yours first. This one's yours. I want you to put some of this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce in the bottom of that pan. Squeeze it in there. Get some of that in there. Okay. You know what? Let's put some of that in this pan too. This one's Noni's. Okay, let's put some in this pan too. But in mine, I want some of this Carolina Gold. I don't want none of that Sweet Baby Ray's. So let me get this open if I can. And put some of that Carolina Gold in mine because I want the good stuff in mine. Sweet Baby Ray's is for the plebeians. So let's see, what are you having today, Hendrix? Some hot dogs, right?
Yep.
Okay, so put those in your pan over there, the first one. Drop them all in there, bud. Don't pick them up one at a time. There you go, hot dogs, right? Now, what else are you having? You're having some chicken, right? You like chicken? Okay. So we're going to drop some chicken in there. We got some raw chicken. We're handling it with tongs because we don't want to
use our hands.
Contaminate our hands, okay? Next thing we're going to do is fix Noni's up. This is, no, that's mine. Here's Noni's and her mother's. This is some apple and pork sausage. We want to put a little bit in each of these containers. No, we need to, like, portion it out a little bit. Put a few in there. And just as many in here. We don't want to short anybody any of that apple and pork sausage, right? For the Big BBQ Mess. Sound good, Hendrix?
Yep.
You hear that stupid dog? I'm going to kill him.
Yep.
Yes, he's dead. He's a dead dog. Okay. Shut up, dog. Say it, Hendrix.
Shut up, dog.
Okay. What's next? Now we're going to put some chicken in their Big BBQ Messes. With that chicken and apple sausage and some chicken.
It looks
Why
good.
not? It looks good already?
Yep.
We haven't done mine yet.
No.
Wait till you see mine.
Oh God.
Oh boy.
It's gonna be big.
It's gonna be awesome.
Big.
Mine's gonna be good. Here, let's put some onions. Now, do you like onions?
Yeah.
You like onions? Since when?
I know.
I thought you didn't like them. Okay, well, I think just a few onions won't kill you, will it?
No.
Just a few onions. I like onions. Noni likes onions, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna put some onions in this one.
Nobody
Right?
said she's gonna watch the video.
She's gonna watch the video?
Yep.
Yeah, well, she'll figure it out later. What's going on?
Yeah.
She'll see what we're doing. We're making the Big BBQ Mess with Hendrix. Let's
Yep.
put some more onions in hers. We haven't even started mine yet.
Guys, like and subscribe.
Excellent. Hendrix, you are the best. Now let me think. You don't like mushrooms, right?
No.
Now, Noni likes mushrooms. And I like mushrooms, but her mother doesn't like mushrooms. So we're not putting it in her dish. So there we go with some mushrooms.
Yes,
We're
if
going
you're
to put
watching
some in
this
mine.
video.
We haven't even touched mine yet.
Nope.
Now, Hendrix, let me ask you.
Yeah.
Well, here, let's put some of these roasted red bell peppers in Noni's.
In mine too.
You want some of this too?
I don't care.
I'm surprised that you like that. Okay, that's cool. Roasted
never
red
tried.
bell peppers for Hendrix, and some for
You.
her. That one. Okay.
How do you put
Now
them in
listen,
your-
let me ask you something.
Yeah.
Do you like bacon?
Yeah.
You like bacon?
Yeah.
You're just like me, aren't you? Just like my bud. We got some bacon. We're gonna put some bacon in there. Got some bacon I cooked up already. Yeah. Is that enough bacon for you? Or you want more? Want about 4 pieces of bacon?
Sure.
Okay. And that's also gonna go in mine, so we're gonna put that aside. And okay, so now let's do mine. I've got some andouille sausage, because I like spicy stuff. So I'll put some andouille sausage in mine. We need some more barbecue sauce on all 3 of those.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and do that. Some of that Sweet Baby Ray's on there.
All of them?
On
Except here.
these 3. These 3.
And go!
And then I've got some pork, because I like pork. So I've got some pork for my barbecue mess. And of course, I want some peppers, red bell peppers in mine.
Yep, just like me.
Just like you. You're a good boy, aren't you? So you could put a little bit more barbecue sauce in this one and that one.
This is mine.
Yeah. And I'm going to put, of course, some bacon in mine. Because I love bacon.
Oh no, it's running out.
No, it's not. It's full. Listen, you want to snack on some bacon? Here you go. How is it?
Good.
Good. Bacon. Hendrix and I love bacon. That wasn't much of stuff in there, was it? I'm going to have a snack with some bacon.
This
too.
is actually the first time he's used this.
This is my Carolina Gold. I'll put some of that in there. The Big BBQ Mess with Hendrix. Now I like mushrooms, so I'm gonna put some mushrooms in mine. I'll make sure those mushrooms get packed down in there.
And my, I put this.
That's the ending. So hang on. Okay, give me some mushrooms. I got pork, andouille sausage, mushrooms. I want to get some onion in mine. Okay. There we go, some onion.
But you put some baby bell.
No, not in mine. I'm snacking some bacon right now. How good. I want a little bit more of that barbecue sauce there. Okay. Should I bring a spoon? No. So what I'm going to have to do is punch this down with my tongs. See, this one's got plenty of room in it. This one doesn't. This one does. That's yours.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we want to put now is some hard-boiled potatoes that I have.
Yeah.
Pick that up, throw it away. I got some potatoes that we parboiled.
Yep.
You like potatoes, right? Okay. Let's throw some potatoes in there. Now we need some of that root beer rub on top of those potatoes. So get that going, Hendrix.
This?
Yeah. Shake some of that on top of those potatoes.
All of them?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's good. A little bit more.
Okay.
A little bit. That's good. You don't want to go too much. Don't too heavy. Let's pack some root beer rub on that one. Pack some root beer rub on that one.
And probably some of that one.
That's mine. Gotta have some root beer rub on my own creation, don't I?
Yep.
The Big BBQ Mess.
And this is yours.
That's
you made this.
my stuff that I make, right? And I make it. And I help. So there you go. Potatoes. Now what should we lack?
Putting some root beer rub on there?
No. I think we should put some cheese on there, don't you? I got some mushrooms left over.
Okay. Well, you definitely.
Let's throw some cheese in a plate. And let's pack some cheese on top of those potatoes. Right? Put that down so you don't drop it. Okay?
Yeah.
Pack some cheese up in there, up in here, up in here. Put some cheese up in here, up in here. What do you think?
Good.
So how's it look?
Good. Very good.
That's our Big BBQ Mess. What we're gonna do now is get some foil, close those up, put them on the grill, get them cooking, and then we'll come back and do a taste test. I'll have a beer and Hendrix will drink a Coke. What do you think? Sound good to you?
Yep.
All right, stay tuned. Okay, we got the Big BBQ Mess with Hendrix on the fire. We're gonna put the, Hendrix, you're a ham, I'll tell you what. We're gonna put the cover on that and let it cook until those things get done. Then we'll come back, we'll take a taste, and we'll drink a beer. I'll drink a beer, Hendrix will drink a Coke. So stay tuned. Okay, our barbecue messes are done. Hendrix has got my pit barrel mug and I've got my frosty root beer mug, and I got a beer that I got from my buddy Charlie Follett. Sent me this wicked hazy, juicy New England IPA. I can't wait to try this. Sam Adams. Let's pour that out. Our barbecue messes are looking and smelling good, aren't they?
Yep.
Can't wait to try that. Let's pour out this beer. Pour out your drink. Can you open that or you need help?
I got it.
There we go. Thank you, Charlie. Bo's Garage. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, almost over foamed. Almost, not quite. Almost. You got my pit barrel mug going here, Hendrix? Get it filled up. Thanks, Charlie, for the beer. Go up in the iCard and check out Bo's Garage. Maybe he'll send you some beer. I doubt it. He might. You never know. Anyway, let's take a sniff of that. Sam Adams. Smells great. Smells like grapefruit, which is how an IPA should smell from the hops. Let's quaff the froth off of that, Rob. What do you think? I've never seen this before, Rob. Sam Adams, Wicked Hazy. Let's quaff the froth off. Wow, that's excellent. Thank you, Charlie, for the beer. Rob, if you could find this, I don't know where to find it. Wicked Hazy, I've never seen it. Really good. Pour the rest of that in my cup. Throw that can out. Listen, how does your barbecue mess look? Pretty good, huh? Should we dig into this?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Should we?
It's probably hot.
Yeah, so.
I'm gonna dig into mine for sure. So I got me a piece of pork right there. I don't know if you can see that. Some pork on my fork. My potatoes, I got some nice crust of cheese on them. It's hot now, buddy. So you're gonna try some potato. I'm gonna try some pork. Ready? Let me get that in my mouth. Mmm, that's good. I wish that dog would shut up.
Yeah, me too.
This is a really nice campfire meal.
Yep.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Is it good? Huh?
Yeah.
Am I a good cooker?
Yep.
Look, here's a mushroom. You don't like mushrooms?
No.
Oh, I love mushrooms.
Maybe.
I love me some fungus. So anyway, oh, that's delicious.
This is our lunch.
This is our lunch. Hendrix has got his drink. Hold your drink up. Give me a smile. There you go. That's my boy. Let me pick that up a little. Do it again. Give me that again. Got a big smile on his face. He's a happy camper. He's got his barbecue lunch. Cooking with Grumpy. That's our video, folks. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. There we go. That's my boy Hendrix. All right, see y'all later. Bye.